Yeah, there's, and I'm babbling, sorry about that. There's tons and tons of things going on. There's Transformers cosplay. There's artists. A lot of the comic book guys are coming. And meetups, video games. I think there's going to be. I think every single, or almost every single Transformers video game in existence, from way back when it started on the Commodore 64 and computers like that, those Transformer games, up to the present, which will be War for Cybertron. And I wish those kids outside would shut up, because you're probably going to hear this. There's a buttload of stuff that's going to be going on. It's just going to be so much fun. Like, I've personally, I've never ever been to Birmingham, but over in the mainland, as we call it over here from Ireland, there's very few places I've been. I've been to, I think, Northamptonshire. Yeah, I've been. I can't remember the name of the place. Some place it was, because I know I did a day trip down to London and back. But I know that we were staying at this Outdoor Pursuits place there, and there in London have been really the only places I've been. Of course, last year was the first time, and I think maybe 10, no, it would have been more than that, maybe 10 or 15, possibly 15 years I've been actually in London again. And it was quite an adventure. It has changed a brave bit. It phenomenally changed. But it was great fun being over again. And on the Monday after the London Film and Comic Con, going about and exploring, and going up to the museum for that was really long ago that I'd been in the museum. Would have been 1986-87 was the last time, well, before last year, that I had been in the museum. But I'm getting off topic. I can cover this again if you guys want to. Just let me know. Anyway, yeah, it's going to be a phenomenal con, but tickets are going brave and fast. So if you want to go, it's advisable to get in now, because as of this recording, and this is Friday, bring up the date. This is Friday the 4th of June as I'm recording this. There are 72 days left, 355 pre-registrants on there, and there's actually a cap of 550 people per day for the con. That is the full size of it. So come along, it's going to be an awful lot of fun. And you've maybe been to anime cons before and sci-fi cons, but this is the biggest and best Transformers convention in Europe. So I'm going to be there in my Ranger t-shirts and all, because basically I'll be representing the Rangers, as I always do. Because wherever I go, I would always try to represent the Rangers. Be it up in Belfast, and the first time I ever did that, some Japanese girls, I think they were Japanese, maybe I don't know, but I think it'll probably work because they were speaking. Seen the front of my shirt, and if you've seen it as the, Vic's original Ranger seal, it has Ed Elric, Ed Elric, and Risembool Rangers put around this sort of round seal thing. Haganane, and I'm probably butchering the language, so sorry about that. That's basically what I heard, and it sort of brought a smile to my face. They recognised Ed Elric in my shirt. And actually at Erticon last year, there was some girls were saying, "Oh, I'd love that shirt, man." Well, I would take a shot and do it. Well, make one up from the place I got the thing printed up, but never sell them. If anybody usually asks me to get anything for them, I don't want anything back. I would give it out of the goodness of my heart. Seriously. I suppose I should really sign off because I'm not sure. I might be near the 10 minutes, but I'll look to coming back because hopefully in the future I may have a better camera than this crappy little thing I've got, because basically this is the original camera I had when Vic was down at Erticon. This one doesn't work anymore because basically you can't put SD cards in it. So guys, this is Jeremiah of the Arrow signing of the Risembool Rangers signing out. I'll see you later. And if you're going to Birmingham in August, I'll see you at Auto Assembly.